Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question. If u equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x and v equal to tan inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square upon 1 minus 2x square, then find the value of du by dv at x equal to 0. Okay guys, to solve this question we use the key concept, that is derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so guys, how we solve this question? Just write down the u equal to tan inverse of, that is square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. So guys, for this we use the substitution method. Put x equal to tan theta. So what will be the value of theta? Theta equal to tan inverse of x. So what will we get? U equal to tan inverse of, in the bracket will be square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Okay, bracket close. So u equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta will be the sec square theta, and square root of sec square theta will be sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Just simplify this. So u equal to tan inverse of, instead of sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, bracket close. So just simplify u equal to tan inverse of, it becomes 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta will get cancelled from the denominator. So now how we solve this? U equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. It becomes u equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta will be the 2 sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, bracket close. So here 2 will get cancelled, 1 sin theta by 2 will get cancelled. So final will be remaining u equal to tan inverse of tan of theta by 2. So tan inverse of tan will be theta by 2 only. But we know the value of theta from this equation. Theta equal to how much? Tan inverse of x. So substitute here tan inverse of x whole divided by 2. So now differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx will be 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 plus x square, bracket close. Call this equation number 1. Got it guys? Remember this equation number 1. Now what is the value of v next? V is tan inverse of, v equal to tan inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 minus 2x square. 1 minus 2x square. So guys, to solve this, here also we use the substitution method. So put x equal to how much? Sin theta. If you put the x equal to sin theta, what will be the value of theta? Theta equal to sin inverse of x. So what will be the v? V equal to tan inverse of, in the bracket will be 2 into sin theta. In the bracket 1 minus sin square theta will be the cos square theta. So square root of cos square theta will be the cos theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So guys, 2 sin theta cos theta will be, we know, that is v equal to tan inverse of sin 2 theta whole divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta will be the 2 cos 2 theta. So v value will be tan inverse of sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta equal to tan of 2 theta. So we know the guys, tan inverse of tan will be the 2 theta. So guys, replace here. What is the value of theta? So v equal to 2 into theta equal to is nothing but the tan inverse of, sorry, x equal to sin theta, so theta equal to sin inverse of x. So guys, here theta equal to sin inverse of x. So now differentiate with respect to x, we will be getting dv by dx equal to 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. Call this equation number 2. So now find the value of du by dv. How we calculate the dv by dv? From the equations 1 and 2. So du by dx whole divided by dv by dx from 1 and 2. So guys, just substitute du by dv equal to, so what will be the du by dx? Our du by dx will be 1 upon 2 in the bracket 1 plus x square whole divided by dv by dx will be 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. But guys, we want this value at, so what will be our du by dv? That is 1 upon 2 1 plus x square into root of 1 minus x square whole divided by 2. So guys, we want this du by dv at x equal to how much? 0. So substitute the value of 0 in this equation. 2 in bracket 1 plus 0 into root of 1 minus 0 square divided by 2. So if we simplify this, we will be getting 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So what will be your final answer, guys? Du by dv at x equal to 0 will be 1 upon 4, and this will be your final answer of this question, that is du by dv equal to 1 by 4. So which option is correct one? Option number first will be the correct option, guys. I hope everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.